Hello, my Cloud Puffs. Welcome to another Cloudy tutorial. Actually, the first one. I think I'm helping people with a lot recently is making their Discord servers. The biggest issue I run into is people don't know how to make their roles. They don't know how to do auto feed, and also how to get people to accept the rules and get a server role by themselves. A lot of stuff we're gonna work on applies to all Discord servers, but what I'm gonna be showing you guys is mainly for streamers and also people that post on YouTube and stuff like that to share some stuff with their viewers. To show as an example, I'm gonna be showing my friend Avery's. I already did work on some stuff, but the biggest thing I'm gonna show you step by step is how to add a reaction role. So as you can see right here, I do have Avery's server open. The biggest thing we have right now set up is we have a welcome channel set up. So here's the first thing I'm going to show you. It's the biggest thing you want to do. You want to show something nice to show your viewers a welcome and more personalized than just these regular ones that Discord already has set up. Although they are kind of fun and they do remind you to send stickers. So what I'm going to be using a lot today is Carlbot. Carlbot is one of my favorite bots. He's one of the oldest ones. And he's like an old reliable kind of thing. Of course, a lot of other bots use these features as well, so really just choose your favorite. I'm gonna show you how I set up Carlbot though. As you see, we have a lot of sides here. First thing you wanna do is you wanna log in. You wanna go log in with your Discord. Look at the server you wanna work on. I have a lot of servers, especially my own Discord server. And then right here, we're gonna go all the way down. And as you see, we have utility and we have a greetings tab. So over here, this is an example. Welcome to Avery Slime Army, and we mention the person that comes in. You are slime number, and you are able to put the exact number of slimes that are in there. And then make sure you read and accept and then right here is the rules channel. And then to be able to chat. So here's some variables in here that you can use. You'll allow you to either mention, say their server's name, put the user's name instead of mentioning them. The server members is the number of people that are in your server. And then, that's mostly it. The rest part, I don't really deal with. But this is Avery's. I'm gonna show you an example of a completed one, because nobody's joined a server yet for Avery, for me to show an example. So this is my server, and this is my welcome channel. I do have it say my name automatically using that one thing. And then we hope you enjoyed your time here. Everyone welcome. This is the most recent person that joined. This is Junie. They're my friend. They're another streamer. Their name is Pocket Stout and everything. Not Stout, Pocket Stout. They're an animal. And then look there, Cloud Puff number 74. Please read and accept our rules and info to be verified. And then I put a little gif of me waving to add some more personalization to it. So that's how mine looks as an example of one that's completely complete using Carlbot. Back to the Slime Army. Another thing that we worked on is... Pause. I actually forgot to show you guys something. The big thing I forgot to show you guys is you guys have to copy the channel like this. So you go over here, you click copy link, and then when in your welcome thing, let me show mine again. I forgot where it was. Right here. So what you want to do, you want to copy and paste it into the Carlbot, and then it'll go in there. That's all. Enjoy the rest of the video. Let's look at the auto feeds. So for the auto feeds, you have a few options. So you could use Carlbot. I didn't set it up for him yet, but here's what you have to do. Because if you don't do it this way, you might get the wrong channel. So what you want to do is you want to do https://www.youtube.com/channel/ Oop! I stopped putting slashes. I started putting something else. There you go. I keep pressing shifts a lot. That happens. There you go. / and then what you're gonna do is you're gonna go. This is Avery. He's streaming right now. All right. So here's his YouTube. What you're gonna do is you're gonna share channel and you get to copy channel ID. So you're gonna go over to Carlbot, put in that ID. And then you can put whatever you want here, but they give you a couple examples of things to put. So we can put, cause his group, Slime Army. I put Amory. And then I'm gonna put a link. So we do this, link, and then it should add it through. add. Oh, I forgot to put a channel. Make sure to put the channel. YouTube add. So now it should automatically do that whenever. It's already set up with another bot for Avery, so I'm gonna delete this. Because we have another bot in here. And then, of course, you could also do Twitch with Carlbot. Sorry, I'm hiding it. Of course, you could always do Twitch with Carlbot, but I don't really use that. I like to use StreamCord. So this is the StreamCord site. What you're gonna do is you're gonna add them to your Discord first. Another thing to make sure of, because I haven't mentioned it yet, make sure that all of your bots have admin powers in your server. Because if they don't, they can't do anything. I know it's a bit sketchy to let bots have complete control over your server, but without giving them complete control, they can't do anything at all. So make sure to give them admin abilities. There's a few things you have to do, actually. The first thing you have to do is you have to make sure in your roles tab, sorry, I went too far, that their names are some higher up here than the rest of the people, because they can't control them otherwise. And also, when you make them a role like this, I have slime slaves. For this server at least, make sure that this role also gives them admin abilities. All the way down here at the bottom, see? Administrator. And right here you see I have Avery's open for his server. So I do have a notification set up. So here's how it looks. We can edit it a little bit. So right here, here's what you do. You have to make sure that you do not have a link in here. You have to put the name down. So this is his name on Twitch, as you can see over here. Avery VT _, just like that. And then you pick the channel you want to put it into. Here's a Twitch channel, so I put it in there. And then you want to make sure that you put a role in here. So you click this, you click whatever role you want to put down. Avery, we're gonna make another ping for him later on. So we have an Avery's live ping right here. So we click that, right? And then you scroll down a bit, and then you put whatever message you want to put down. So I put for Avery, I'm live, come here my slime army, don't keep your king waiting. And then right here at the end, you would click insert mention, it'll go right there. And then you put the channel URL on the bottom. That's how I like to do it. And then to give you an example of one that was already done, because I kind of already did mine, or I did his after he went live, so the notification didn't go off. This is how mine is. We're over here, Claudia's live. Claudia's live, come hang out with her at Claudia's live ping. And this is what it shows you. It shows you a little screen like that, and then it shows you the game, and it gives you the title of their stream. Exactly how it's done. The next thing we're gonna work on, we're gonna work again for Avery's Discord. We're gonna set up reaction roles. So as you see, I do have one right here, and this is for the rules. So let's go to Avery server. Over in his rules tab, this is how it looks. So there's two options you can do. You can either post the rules yourself and then put another check mark in the bottom using Carlbot, like how mine is. A lot of his learn as you go, so I kind of messed up a little bit. So right here, I added another one that has an and it says, please react to a check mark to be verified, receive the customer role. And that's right here. But what I did for Avery is instead of posting it myself, I just copy and pasted his rules, put it into Carlbot, and made it like this. I think this looks a bit more clean. It does say Carlbot on there. Of course, if you were to upgrade a premium for a monthly fee, I believe, you can change how he looks and everything, but this is just Carlbot. So it has his rules here, and make sure to click and accept to get the role to talk in the server. And then for that, you have to make sure that the everyone role doesn't let anybody do nothing. So you go to your roles, just click edit on any of them, and then it should show up. So click edit this, there's at everyone. Make sure they can view everything, but make sure they can't do anything else. They can't talk at all. Of course, they can add reactions because they need to be able to react to Carlbot's message. And then that's it. And then of course, read message history. They need that as well, or else they can't read anything at all. So just like that. And then once they get that, then they could get access to all the channels, just like that. So here's how you do it. You're gonna go on to Carlbot, make sure whatever role you want to make reactable, it's already in your Discord. So make sure to just put it down. You go onto the Carlbot dashboard, and here's what I did for have messaging like that. So you go up here, put everything down like that, and then down here, you're gonna click add emoji, and you're gonna find say kissy face, and it makes you an Avery's live ping. This is an example. It's not how actually I'm going to set it up. And then you click save and it goes through. I am going to delete this because we don't need this right here. So that's how you would make any role. And you pick whichever role you want to pick right here. So see right here, you get baby slime. And just to give you an example of it working, I have it already checked. So look, I'm no longer a baby slime. I'm just a slime lord. Close that, click, and here I am. I got baby slime, thanks to Carlbot. So here's what we're going to do now. We have a reaction role channel. So roles under construction right there. So what we have to do first, actually, before you even open up Carlbot, you're gonna have to reload it. So I know he has one ping. We're gonna make a couple extra for him. So we're gonna go to roles. So we have Avery's live. We have announcement ping. Let's click save. You don't need to do anything else for it. Everyone is the base level, and then everything else gives you more leeway. Avery's live, announcement ping, and then let's add. What does he have? Oh, probably like a YouTube, right? YouTube ping. Oh, I want to make a new one. Hello. Oh, go up here. Save changes. Make sure you save those changes, or else they're gonna go away. So we have 3 pings, and then it's really nice that we could adjust it later on. So we have those 3 pings, and then we have our roles under construction. So we're gonna go over here. Make sure it's on post embed. And then we're gonna go to roles under construction. So here's a couple options. You can make it look like mine over here, where I post an embed. Let's go to my roles. So right here, it looks like that. It's really cute. I think it looks a bit nicer. And then another option is you can do it how Avery's is. So you do it from either up here, or you could do it down here. So you could put a title for the roles. So you could put pings. All right, so what I'm gonna do first, I'm gonna put them in. So let's see, live ping. Let's do a heart. Avery is blue. So I'm gonna do a blue heart. And then Avery's live ping. We're gonna add another one. Let's do a play button. Oops. Play button for YouTube. And this is gonna be... Oh, I have to reload it? I do. Okay, hold on. Let's save it for now, because we could actually keep updating this. So let's create it. So even if you mess up, you can always rearrange it. The only thing you can't rearrange is the roles. So if you had a specific order for how you wanted to get things done, you do have to delete this and then just add another bit. But this part you can always update. Reload. Perfect. Go like that. All right. Now we can do the other ones. Play button. Then make sure this is new YouTube ping. And then for announcements, exclamation point. This is gonna be the announcements ping. Perfect. So what we're gonna do next is, I might be doing a little bit too much for this part. So we're gonna go over here, and I need to make sure to copy down the emotes I put down. Put them separately. Blue heart. Boop. What we're gonna do is gonna go here. You're gonna copy the text. Go back to Carlbot, copy, paste. Now you get a blue heart. I'm gonna put a colon, and then I'm gonna put Avery is live. Ping. Boop. Just like that. You're gonna click enter, so that's a new role. A new row. Sorry. Again. Doing it again. Announcement ping. So before we save it, I'm gonna show you that it does update in real time. So we have roles under construction. I have pings. Look, there's nothing here explaining what they are. And there's also only a blue heart here. What does that mean? So of course we go over here, we filled it out up here, and then we click save. And it's all updated. Real nice and clean. Let's make sure to edit this. Oh, wrong one. I'm gonna edit this one more time just because I don't like the color of the embed toggle color pick. Oh, okay, there we go. We can go up here and make it blue as well, like that. Let's make it more like Avery's color. So let's say something like this. That's a nice, oh, where'd it go? Oh, golly. Okay. Save. And now the color is a nice blue, just like that. And that's perfect. So that's a lot of the stuff we figured out and we put on through. And now everything should be set. If you have more questions, make sure to go ahead and ask some questions in my comments. Besides that, I believe we're all set up. All right. Thank you for watching my video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, my Cloud Puffs.